The next thing we're going to do is solve our quadratic inequalities algebraically. The easiest way to do so is if it's factorable to factor. If not, either take the square, complete the square, or use the quadratic formula. Let's do number 6 together. The first thing I'm going to do is make sure to have my quadratic term on the left-hand side as well as everything else. You want to make sure we get 0 on one side. So that would be by adding x squared and subtracting 6x. So I'll have positive x squared minus 6x plus 5 is less than 0. I can now factor that. So what multiplies to 5 and adds to negative 6, that would be negative 1 and negative 5. That then gives me roots of x equals 1 and x equals 5. Once you have your roots, we need to determine now, should my solution be that x is greater than 1 and less than 5, or is x less than 1 or greater than 5? And you can do that by picking a test point. Pick a value that is either in between 1 and 5 or on the outside. I'm going to pick a value in between 1 and 5. I'm going to pick 2. And I'm going to see if 2 makes this inequality true. So 2 squared minus 6 times 2 plus 5. Is that actually less than 0? Let's determine. Is 4 minus 12 plus 5 less than 0? Well, 4 minus 12 is negative 8, and negative 8 plus 5 is negative 3. So is negative 3 less than 0? It is. What that means is that 2 is a solution. So since 2 is between 1 and 5, I know that my solution will then be x such that x is between 1 and 5. If this had been a false statement, then 2 would not be a solution, so I would have values of x is less than 1 and x is greater than 5.